Wow. You're amazing. Keep going. I'm proud of you. Show me what you got. Wow. You're such a good pole dancer. Keep going. Keep it going. Whoa. Can you do it again? What are you doing? Whoa.
Squishy gets separation anxiety when I shower. Always wants to come in. Seriously, Squish?
No, ma'am. No. Earl. No. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Y'all are ridiculous. No, ma'am. No. No. What's the end goal here, baby? You know, this is why the voids don't get as much. This is why the voids don't get as much content. Yeah, because you guys are so needy. Why are y'all so needy?